Are you tired of the pain, irritation, and expense of Brazilian waxing? You're not alone. More people than ever are exploring alternatives that are gentler, more cost-effective, and even permanent. Let's explore! First up, laser hair removal. This popular method works by using concentrated light to target and reduce hair growth at the root. The results? A permanent reduction in hair over time. While it may require a higher upfront investment, the long-term benefits make it worthwhile for many. Imagine fewer trips to the salon and saying goodbye to stubble forever. Success stories from satisfied clients often mention smoother skin and a major confidence boost. Just keep in mind that multiple sessions are needed and it's important to choose a reputable provider. Next, there's electrolysis, a precise method that uses an electric current to destroy individual hair follicles. This option is especially effective for stubborn hairs or areas resistant to laser treatments. However, it does require commitment. Sessions can take time and may feel uncomfortable. The trade-off? A truly permanent solution for hair removal, approved by the FDA. If you're seeking a natural, gentler alternative to waxing, consider sugaring. This method uses a mixture of sugar, lemon, and water to remove hair. It's known for being less painful than waxing and offers added benefits like exfoliating your skin and reducing the risk of ingrown hairs. Plus, unlike traditional wax, sugaring adheres only to hair, not skin, making the process much more comfortable. Prefer to tackle hair removal at home? There are plenty of DIY options to choose from. Depilatory creams, razors, and epilators are cost-effective and convenient, but each comes with its own pros and cons. For example, depilatory creams are quick and painless, but can cause irritation for sensitive skin. Razors are a classic choice, but they require frequent use to maintain smoothness. Epilators, on the other hand, provide longer-lasting results but can be uncomfortable at first. The key is to experiment and find the method that works best for you. Say goodbye to the wax strips and hello to smoother, more comfortable alternatives. Whether you're ready to invest in a permanent solution or try something new at home, the choice is yours. Remember, your comfort and confidence are what matter most.